And so we are going to rotate this triangle ABC. So we're going to rotate, I might as well write the instructions down, so make it nice and simple. So I'm going to rotate triangle ABC 180 degrees. So you don't have to write clockwise or counterclockwise because you can go either way. So rotate triangle ABC 180 degrees. Let's say about, let's give it a center of rotation. Let's say point B, so here. Okay, so what that means is that when we rotate it, we won't be rotating it around 0, 0, the point of origin. We're rotating it here around this. The whole shape is going to spin around this point. So this point, B, won't move. So let's get onto it. A nice helpful tool is to use some tracing paper. So the first job I like to do when I'm using tracing paper to do rotations is to draw a set of axes right on top of the tracing paper, because that's really going to help me carry out some accurate rotations. So I just draw it on top, accurate as I can. There's certainly no need to rush. So like this. Okay. So that's my set of axes. Now I don't put it on 0, 0. I'm going to focus on here, which is B. Point B is the center of rotation. Okay, so that's important. So I just put it on here, just to line it all up nicely. Align the axes with the grid lines underneath. So again, just be careful, as accurately as you can. Okay, so you can see that sort of there, that's there, over here, that's there, that's there. It's kind of lined up now. At this point, I'm going to plot each point. So this is going to be B. Now that won't shift. C is here, and A is way up here. Okay, now I need to rotate 180 degrees. So it doesn't matter which way I go. I'm probably going to go this way, clockwise. But essentially, when this line, when this axis gets down to here, I know I have gone 180 degrees, right? So let's rotate round. Rotate, rotate, rotate. That's 90 degrees. And I just need to get now from here to here. So let's keep going, let's keep going. Okay, so here I go. See, it's lined up here nicely. Just make sure everything goes back where it should be, right on point at B. And now, yep, okay, now it looks pretty good. So I just have to record the coordinates of A dash, B dash, C dash. So these points which have now moved, apart from point B, which doesn't move because it's at the center of rotation. C is over here, A is over there. Okay. So C, now it looks a bit just off there, so my plotting can't have been all that great. So C is basically on this original axis line here. So let's see where it goes. It's going to be C dash is, I use the original axis lines here to do the coordinates. So 0, 2. So C dash is 0, 2. What about B? Where's B? It's 1, 2, 1, 2. So minus 2, 2. And A is all the way down here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 3. Okay, let me just check. It's a negative 3, sorry, going down. Okay, I can take that away. And I can plot all the image points. So A dash is 0 minus 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Here is A dash, 0, 1, 2, 3. B is going to be minus 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So here's going to be B dash as well as B. And C is 0, 2, 0, 1, 2. So C dash is here. So now that I've plotted all the image points, I just have to draw the image of triangle ABC. And the image of triangle ABC is, of course, triangle A dash, B dash, and C dash. And all I need to do is label each of the points. And that's all you have to do. Job done.